A flat tire never comes with a warning. It can happen in the middle of a busy road, during a long trip, or late at night when help is hard to find. That's exactly why having a reliable, easy-to-use tire inflator matters. TireHero is designed to remove stress from roadside emergencies by letting anyone fix low or flat tires in just minutes. Compact, wireless, and powerful, this smart air pump promises fast inflation, emergency backup power, and peace of mind without needing tools, cables, or experience. What is TireHero? TireHero is a portable, wireless air pump built to inflate car tires, bike tires, and everyday inflatables quickly and safely. Unlike old-style manual pumps or bulky compressors, TireHero is fully cordless and powered by a high-capacity rechargeable battery. It's small enough to fit in a glove box, backpack, or trunk, yet strong enough to inflate multiple tires on a single charge. Beyond inflation, TireHero also functions as an emergency power bank and safety tool. It includes a digital pressure display, automatic shutoff, and a built-in LED emergency light. This makes it more than just a tire pump. It's an all-in-one roadside companion designed for daily drivers, families, road trippers, and anyone who values preparedness. How does TireHero work? TireHero uses advanced compression technology powered by a 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery. Once connected to a tire valve, it pushes controlled air pressure into the tire while constantly monitoring PSI through its digital display. You simply attach the hose, set your desired pressure, and press start. TireHero automatically inflates the tire to the selected PSI and shuts off on its own when finished. This prevents overinflation and removes guesswork, making it safe even for beginners. Because it's wireless, there's no need to connect to a car outlet or power source. A full charge can inflate up to 5 low tires or fully inflate several flat ones, giving you dependable performance whenever and wherever you need it. Features and benefits of TireHero. One of TireHero's biggest strengths is speed. It can inflate a low tire to safe driving pressure in as little as 4 minutes. This saves time, eliminates waiting for roadside assistance, and gets you moving again quickly. Its versatility is another major advantage. TireHero works on cars, motorcycles, bicycles, scooters, sports balls, air mattresses, and more, thanks to multiple included nozzle attachments. This makes it useful not only for emergencies but also for everyday household needs. The built-in digital display allows precise pressure control. Instead of guessing, you can see real-time PSI readings and set an exact target pressure. Once that pressure is reached, the pump shuts off automatically, protecting your tires and extending battery life. TireHero also doubles as a power bank. In emergency situations, you can charge your phone or other devices using the built-in USB port. This feature alone can be a lifesaver if you're stranded without phone battery. Safety is enhanced by the integrated LED flashlight and emergency light mode. Whether you're inflating tires at night or signaling passing traffic, the light improves visibility and reduces risk. Its compact design makes storage effortless. TireHero fits neatly in a glove compartment or small bag, meaning it's always within reach without taking up space. Finally, by maintaining proper tire pressure, TireHero helps improve fuel efficiency and reduce tire wear. Over time, this can save money on gas, repairs, and premature tire replacements. How to use TireHero. Using TireHero is straightforward and beginner-friendly. First, make sure the device is charged. Then attach the air hose to your tire valve or use the appropriate adapter for bikes or inflatables. Next, turn on the digital display and set your desired PSI using the control buttons. Once set, press the start button and allow TireHero to inflate the tire automatically. During inflation, the screen shows live pressure readings so you can monitor progress. When the target PSI is reached, TireHero stops on its own. Simply detach the hose and you're ready to go. The entire process takes just minutes and requires no technical knowledge, strength, or prior experience. TireHero pros and cons. TireHero's biggest advantages include its wireless design, fast inflation speed, and ease of use. The automatic shutoff, digital display, and compact size make it especially appealing for beginners and experienced drivers alike. The added power bank and emergency light features provide extra value beyond basic tire inflation. On the downside, TireHero is slightly louder during operation, which is common for compact compressors. It's also designed for emergency and maintenance use rather than heavy industrial inflation. However, for everyday drivers, families, and travelers, these limitations are minor compared to its overall convenience and functionality. Price and where to buy TireHero is available exclusively through its official website, ensuring quality control and genuine products. Pricing varies depending on bundle offers, with discounts available for multi-unit purchases. These bundles are ideal for families or multiple vehicles. The product comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing buyers to try it risk-free. Orders ship quickly from the United States, with most customers receiving delivery within a few business days. Tire Hero is not sold on Amazon or eBay, so purchasing directly from the official source is recommended. Conclusion: Tire Hero is more than a tire inflator. It's a smart safety tool every driver should own. Fast, wireless, and easy to use, it eliminates the stress of flat tires while adding emergency power and visibility when you need it most. Whether for daily commuting, road trips, or family safety, Tire Hero delivers convenience, confidence, and peace of mind in a compact package.